No foundation makeup. Amaya resuscitated this trend. It was on YouTube for so long, but her beauty just did CPR on the no foundation makeup trend, and it's back. And this is all the placements that she uses. Then we go in with our contour. She's using more of an orange tone, which looks really good. I'm gonna go in with this one from Dibs, a little bit more cool tone. This is the nose contour. I've never just done a line. I'm curious to see what that's gonna look like. I hope it looks cute on me. Blend the contour next. Hold on, I had to go back and slay my brows really quick. Really quick tip, blend your bronzer all the way back into your hairline, no matter how far it goes back. Okay, now it's time to blend the foundation from the bottom up. Okay, it's looking seamless and flawless. And then setting everything with the Dominique smoothing powder because it's super blurring. And we're not baking, we are pressing this all the way into our skin. She goes in with even more powder, which I'm really scared about. And then she takes it all over her face. Enhancing and setting the cream bronzer in place with a medium deep setting powder. Adding more color to the face, I'm using the L'Oreal bronzer in medium. Also uses it to contour the nose. I was waiting for this. And a little bit in here, which I like. And she takes the bronzer on the eyelid and then lifts it out on the side. She takes it pretty far out, which I love because it gives you a little lift. Then she mixes 2 pink blushes. These are my favorites, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on. And blush just makes me so much happier and just brings the whole look together. I'm using Dominique's Nudie. It's a really pretty brown. I'm mixing Flaunt 2 from Hourglass. Lanny lipstick over the top from Lunar Beauty and Laura. For the gloss, I'm using Peach Tea. So pretty. She does a little glow on her nose, which I haven't done in so long. This one's from Too Faced. It's called Shooting Star, but we're going to use this on her cheeks as well. I don't wear highlight, you guys. To get Amaya's look, I wanted to, do the whole thing. The no mascara on the lower lashes is making me feel like I look totally different, but I really like the way this look came out. The only thing we're missing is a setting spray. There's this one from Lisa Eldridge that just came out, and it's so beautiful. Fix the highlight on my nose. My skin feels like skin again.
Behind the ear.
Chiseled. The way it snatched her up, she just did a little dot right here. And then she took her brush and went straight down and then brought it over. Same thing to the other side. Bring it down. Bring it over. Are we not chiseled? Okay, yes, we are snatched. Makeup for brown eyes. A balanced, slightly bolder brow. This is gonna add extra definition and attention to the eyes. Even skin tone that matches the neck. And if it's glowy, even better because the brown eyes need to pop. No other eye color has golden, bronze, orange, and reds in it. So we're gonna play that up around the eyes. When I think of brown eyes, I think of caramel, chocolate, luxe. That's why we're going in with a red-brown liner first. Don't take it all the way in. Just leave a little space for your eyeball right here and then bring in the brown on the inner corner. Tight line all the way around the eye. If it bleeds, even better, because then you can just smudge it around the lower lash line and it just brings your eyes out even more. You won't get the same effect if you don't use a warm red brown around your eye. Hey, Mocha. If you use a cool brown, it's not gonna pop as much. Also, mixing a brown mascara. We're doing eyeshadow last because you don't really need that much. Take a red brown, this is Chai from the Transition palette, and take it right into the crease. A little on the lower lash line. You want your brown eyes to pop out, not the shimmer, so I'm gonna use a matte neutral color on the inner part of my eye just to help brighten that up. To take this matte color under the brow bone. A sun-kissed face, no blush. I know, how could I? A beige nude lip. Lock it all in, and your brown eyes are gonna pop.